Shubhodaya. Welcome to the 76th batch of yoga here in Rowville. In Mahabharata, there is a story about three fish. One's fish's name, Anagata Vidatri. Second fish's name, Prati Utpannamati. The third one, Dirghasutri. Three fishes, friends, happily, merrily living in the lake, spending their time. Anagata Vidatri means, the name itself says, with foresight. Think ahead. Prati Utpannamati, the name says, just in time reaction. Wait until the last minute and react. Dirghasutri, the name of Dirghasutri means a procrastinator. Delays things. One summer day, when the water in the lake started receding, fishermen came there and they spread the net in the lake and started draining the water. The Anagata Vidatri told other friends, our life is in danger now. It's a time they are draining the water, let us slip out and reach the other pond. Other two, they did not, they just laughed. We have seen so many summers, so many fishermen, not to get worried, enjoy your life. This Anagata Vidatri, when the other friends were not listening, it did not waste its time, it just slipped out and reached the other pond. The Prati Utpannamati, the fishermen caught hold of these two fish, Prati Utpannamati and Dirghasutri. Prati Utpannamati, just in time, so panicky, and he almost had a heart attack and he pretended dead. The fishermen thought this dead fish, they threw it back onto the pond. Pond, it's a useless catch. And somehow it survived. And Dirghasutri, the fish, it never took any action. The fishermen caught hold of that fish and chopped it off and sold it in the market. This story applies to all of us also. Some are like Prati Anagata Vidatri. They look after themselves. Right from the beginning, they look after, invest their time in health and wellness, they look after. They know old age is a terrible one. We can't wait until the old age to set in. They prepare themselves, invest onto their wellness and through the lifestyle changes. The Prati Utpannamati, most are, the few are the Prati Utpannamati, they wait for some call, some health issue, some health scare. Doctor says, unless you do something, there is a challenge. One person was saying that a doctor said he has maximum of 5 years for his knees. After that, he can't walk. Some scare has to come. Doctor, somebody has to shake up. Unless you do, you are gone. They wake up. Prati Utpannamati. And majority are Dirghasutri, they don't care. I don't care, despite telling, come and invest your time on your wellness. They are not interested. Like the fish Dirghasutri, they keep on procrastinating. Even the health care also, they don't mind. They destroy themselves like a Dirghasutri. This message in Mahabharata says how people are in the society. One are foresighted, another one, it's wait till the last minute, some has to, they had to get the trigger in their life. Another one, the majority are, they don't care. They while their time. yoga is an investment for the life. Yoga is an investment for the life, and yoga is you are investing your time. Yoga is not only an investment for this life, for the lives to come. The lifespan of this universe is 31,104,000 billion years. 31,104,000 billion years. This is the lifespan of this universe. Compared to the lifespan of this universe, our lifespan, maximum of 100 years, it's insignificant. Anagata Vidatri, that foresighted one person, not only invests for this life, he or she invests for lives to come. I know my life doesn't end with this one. What about next life? We plan for our retirement age. Retirement, after retiring, how much money we had to have, and we only plan for this life. What about beyond this one? Have you thought about that one? We are so meticulously calculate how much funding I should have for retirement. What about afterlife? Have you invested for that one? Anagata Vidatri is the one invests for not only for this retirement, thinks about what is afterlife. I have to invest for that one. Have I invested? That is Anagata Vidatri. Prati Utpanna Mati only worried about what is for this life. And after retiring, where I should go on a holiday, how much I have a retirement fund portfolio, Prati Utpanna Mati. He is only cares for this life until the death. Yoga is an investment for lives to come. Dehinosmi yatha dehe kaumaram yavvanam jara tata dehantara prapti dhirastatra namuhyati. In the Bhagavan Sri Krishna in Bhagavad Gita talks about, it is the foundation of Yoga Shastra. He says your life doesn't end with this one. Once you are dead, you are not finished. You have to, you get more births. As long as the universe is there, you have to play the role one way or the other, in one plane or the other, one level of existence or not. You need investment for that one. You have to invest for that one. And yoga is divine. It has got the divine sanctity from Lord himself. Lord is talking about you have to invest not only for this life, beyond that one. Like if we know we are a traveler, if you are going on a long journey, you pack necessary things in your car. What are the things you need? But we know we are a traveler, not only in this life, beyond. I have to pack up things. I have to accumulate things which is of value, so that it will come handy. That yoga is divine. They say nobody has become impoverished by getting on, thinking good and connecting to the source of the universe. The yoga is a process of connecting to the source of the universe. Nobody has become poor by connecting to the source of the universe. Everyone has become abundant. We think connecting to the source, many of us, we don't know how to connect. Connecting to the source of the universe, which nourishes the whole universe. When you connect to that one, abundance, not only in this life, lives to come, you will have abundance in your life. Abundance, one who has connected to the powerhouse of the universe, that person becomes a power bank. That person becomes a power bank. The world is looking out for the power banks where they can connect to that source and charge themselves. People are looking out, where can I get charged? I am drained, I am exhausted, I have no energy. I am looking for a power bank When the mobile phone battery is going down, we are looking for any power bank is there. I want to connect. I want to charge. My life also is draining, ebbing away, drained. I am looking for a power bank. Yoga is a process of the one like Anagata Vidatri, one who is foresighted. That person becomes a power bank. The people come to reach out to that person to get recharged. World is badly in need of these power banks. These power banks are in great demand. I look up to you all to become such a power bank. World needs many such power banks so that we can infuse energy into the community. Yoga, what is the benefit of that one? You become a power bank. How you become a power bank? You connect to the powerhouse of the universe. When you connect to the powerhouse, abundance of energy. You are never dearth of energy. You are never dearth of knowledge. You are never dearth of resources. Abundance in your life will be there. You become a power bank, and the yoga is an investment. Become Anagata Vidatri, foresighted one, plan for lives to come. Lie down on your back.